You tap your phone at the local coffee shop, grab a quick lunch on the go, and click purchase on a new streaming service you might watch later this weekend. None of these individual transactions feel significant in the moment. $5 here, $15 there, a quick swipe for pure convenience. Yet, these seemingly invisible moments are quietly building an impenetrable wall between you and the financial life you actually want to live. This is the hidden trap of convenient spending. It is the steady, unmonitored outflow of your hard earned money toward things that offer a fleeting burst of instant gratification but leave absolutely no lasting value behind. Our human brains are biologically hardwired to seek immediate rewards, making that quick dopamine hit from a spontaneous purchase incredibly tempting to indulge. But that temporary high masks a permanent compounding reduction in your future wealth and security. The most common financial advice is to simply stop buying things you enjoy, but that rigid approach almost always fails in practice. Cutting out every single joy makes financial management feel like a harsh punishment rather than a tool for growth. The real goal is never endless deprivation or living a miserable, restricted lifestyle. It is about creating conscious, crystal clear awareness of where your money flows so you can actively choose what actually matters to your long term happiness. Start by looking closely at your last 30 days of bank and credit card transactions. Add up every single impulse purchase, every extra food delivery fee, and every snack bought just because you were standing bored in a checkout line. When you see that final aggregated number, the shock is often profound and highly motivating. That total represents the exact amount of potential financial energy you could be directing toward your most ambitious dreams. Moving beyond the daily coffee run, we encounter the silent budget killers living deep inside our household finances. The phenomenon of subscription creep happens when you sign up for a free trial, forget to cancel it, and suddenly find yourself paying monthly for a digital service you never use. It is a slow, automated drain on your personal resources. These recurring charges quietly steal savings right out of your checking account while you sleep. Financial experts often refer to this widespread phenomenon as the latte factor. This concept illustrates how trivial, habitual daily expenses accumulate into shockingly massive sums over an extended period of time. It is not literally just about avoiding coffee. It represents any small, regular expenditure that you absorb into your daily routine without ever questioning its long-term impact on your ultimate goal of financial freedom. To combat this pervasive issue, you need to implement a zero-based budget. This highly effective method requires you to assign every single dollar a specific, intentional job before the new month even begins. You tell your money exactly where to go, whether that is toward essential rent, nutritious groceries, or a dedicated high-yield savings goal. When every dollar has a clear purpose, those random, untracked convenience purchases suddenly have absolutely nowhere to hide. The clarity resulting from that budgeting process is deeply empowering and profoundly stress relieving. You no longer look at your bank account at the end of the month wondering in a panic where all your hard work went. Instead, you operate with total intentionality, knowing with absolute certainty that you have fully funded your most important priorities. You are actively building a robust safety net that protects your family from unexpected emergencies and economic downturns. Every single dollar you waste on an unneeded convenience is also a dollar losing its silent battle against inflation. Inflation is the gradual increase in the prices of goods and services over time, which continuously and invisibly erodes your overall purchasing power. When your money is just sitting idle in a low interest account or being frittered away on impulse buying, it is actively losing its value in the real world economy. This reality brings us to the foundational economic principle of opportunity cost. Every financial decision you make comes with a hidden price tag, which is the exact value of the next best alternative you gave up to make that purchase. Spending $20 on a fleeting convenience means you are simultaneously choosing not to invest that same $20. You are trading a crucial piece of your future security for a momentary comfort today. Implement a strict 48-hour rule for any non-essential purchase you feel tempted to make. When you feel the sudden urge to buy something you did not plan for in your budget, force yourself to wait 2 full days before completing the checkout process. This simple intentional pause breaks the powerful cycle of instant gratification. It gives your logical brain critical time to catch up with your emotional impulses, often revealing that you do not actually need the item at all. Mastering this intentional pause transforms your entire relationship with the broader consumer economy. You stop being a passive consumer, constantly reacting to clever marketing algorithms, and start becoming a strategic allocator of your own valuable capital. You begin to see the marketplace not as a dangerous place to spend recklessly, but as a landscape of calculated choices where you hold the ultimate power over your destiny. The true cost of those small purchases becomes staggering when you finally understand compound interest. This is the financial principle where the interest you earn on your initial investment begins to earn interest on itself. It is a powerful snowball effect that accelerates your wealth creation exponentially over long periods of time. Every single dollar you save and invest today multiplies into many more dollars in the decades to come, doing the heavy lifting for you. Imagine redirecting the money saved from eliminating the latte factor directly into ETFs. ETFs, or exchange traded funds, are investment funds that let you buy a large basket of stocks or bonds all at once, offering an accessible, low cost way to grow your money in the stock market. By consistently investing those small, reclaimed amounts, you harness the incredible power of the global economy to work tirelessly in your favor. The magic of compounding turns those redirected convenience funds into a truly formidable financial engine. A simple $100 saved each month from cutting out unnecessary subscriptions can grow into tens of thousands of dollars over a standard working career. You are literally buying back your future time, energy, and freedom with the exact same money you used to spend on things you have already completely forgotten about. Many people falsely believe that investing requires large, intimidating sums of money, assuming that small monthly contributions will not make a meaningful difference. This is a dangerous, paralyzing misconception that keeps millions of people locked out of wealth building. Consistency always beats intensity in the long term wealth building game. Starting small with whatever you have right now is infinitely better than waiting for a perfect financial windfall that may never actually arrive. The danger of chronic impulse buying escalates dramatically when those small, daily purchases are made with borrowed money. Swiping a credit card for a quick meal or a random online sale feels completely harmless until the monthly bill arrives and the balance rolls over. Suddenly, that minor convenience spending is trapped in a vicious cycle of revolving debt, growing larger and more burdensome with every passing day. This relentless growth is fueled by your credit card's APR. APR stands for annual percentage rate, which is the yearly interest generated by a sum that is charged to borrowers or paid to investors. High interest credit card debt acts as a toxic reverse compounding effect, destroying your wealth just as quickly as smart investments build it. Furthermore, carrying high balances negatively impacts your FICO score, the standard credit rating that lenders use to judge your financial reliability. If you are currently carrying a balance, attacking that high interest debt must become your absolute financial priority. Use the avalanche method, directing every single spare dollar from your newly optimized budget toward the debt with the highest interest rate while paying the minimum on the rest. Every time you skip an unnecessary small purchase, apply that exact dollar amount directly to your principal balance to accelerate your progress. The heavy shadow of that old debt will eventually vanish completely. Breaking free from high interest obligations is exactly like taking off a heavy backpack you have been carrying up a mountain for years. You instantly free up a massive portion of your monthly income that used to go toward interest payments. That money is finally yours to keep, to save, and to direct entirely toward building the life you truly desire. As you consistently stack these positive habits, your entire financial landscape fundamentally changes for the better. The daily choice to bypass instant gratification in favor of long term stability accumulates into deep, unshakable financial confidence. You are no longer living paycheck to paycheck, terrified and vulnerable to every minor emergency or unexpected expense. You have built a resilient, rock solid foundation that can withstand the unpredictable storms of life. With your consumer debt eliminated and your emergency savings growing, you can finally focus on diversification. Diversification is the strategy of spreading your investments around so that your exposure to any one type of asset is safely limited. This essential practice reduces the overall volatility of your portfolio over time. It ensures that your growing wealth is protected across different sectors of the economy, securing your legacy for decades to come. Reaching this elevated level of stability shifts your entire worldview and your relationship with money. Financial freedom is not about accumulating a massive pile of money just to sit on it and hoard it. It is about the profound, undeniable peace of mind that comes when you realize your daily survival is no longer strictly tied to your next paycheck. You wake up every morning knowing that your time finally belongs to you. You can confidently choose to change careers, start a passion business, or simply spend much more unstructured time with the people you deeply love. The seemingly small choices you make today about your convenient spending are the actual building blocks of that future autonomy. Every single time you say no to a trivial purchase, you are saying yes to your ultimate independence. You are actively paying your future self first. The real path to lasting wealth is rarely paved with massive overnight windfalls or lottery tickets. It is built quietly, day by day, through the intentional, mindful management of your small, everyday decisions. By reclaiming the money you used to lose to impulse buying and hidden subscriptions, you take back complete control of your destiny. Your financial freedom is entirely within your reach, and the journey begins with your very next purchase.